करण जौहर ने क्लैरिफाई की अपनी फिल्म से रिलेटेड कुछ बातें। जी हाँ, करण की 2 फिल्में राम लखन और शुद्धि बन चुकी हैं मोस्ट अवेटेड। राम लखन के कास्ट के बारे में जहां अलग अलग तरह की खबरें आती हैं, वहीं शुद्धि के डिले होने की, मगर अब करण ने कर दिया है सब कुछ क्लैरिफाई।
They are both awaited by us also. We are also awaiting it. Shruti should we definitely go on the floors very soon. The pre-production on that film is a tumultuous task because it's a very widespread film with a large scale, so it needs a lot of time. And Karan Malhotra, the director of the film, is releasing Brothers in August, so he'll get into it right after that. Ram Lakhan should start early 2016. Rohit Shetty is all set. As soon as he finishes his already announced film Dilwale, we will in the next 2 months announce the cast. And just to go on record and say the film has not been cast, because every morning I open some newspaper or read some online news that suggests a new cast for Ram Lakhan. Eventually I think I will be playing Ram and Rohit will be playing Lakhan.
लेकिन इतना तो अब करण को भी लगता है कि बहुत ज्यादा हो गया और अब उनको इन फिल्म्स को फ्लोर पर लाकर जल्द से जल्द रिलीज कर ही देना चाहिए।
Well, there's only that much I think we can pull it off till we better get on the floors and release it finally.
Well, करण पहुंचे थे फिल्म फेयर के एक कवर लॉन्च पर, जहां उन्होंने इस कवर को लॉन्च करने के साथ साथ अपना एसोसिएशन भी बताया।
Filmfare has always, I think, epitomized glamour in its own way and has, I think, the most tremendous legacy where it comes to not only publication houses but also, I think, the legacy of cinema that it's always forged forward with. I think ever since Jitesh and his wonderful team have taken over the reins of Filmfare, it's not only provided, I think, great entertainment stories, great information about cinema, but has always pushed the fashion and glamour envelope and taken it to a larger level. I think this particular event, which has very graciously supported, I think has added to the repertoire and the grand legacy that Filmfare is so known for. Filmfare has vintage value.
अब जब बात हो रही है स्टाइल की, तो करण भला बॉम्बे वेलवेट में आपके स्टाइलिश लुक को कैसे इग्नोर किया जा सकता है?
I had nothing to do with the styling of that film. I had nothing to do with that film at all, actually. I just reported as an actor and I forgot that I was a filmmaker or I had any perception or any point of view. It was styled by Niharika. And it was conceptualized by Anurag in tandem with Niharika. They wanted me to look very different for myself, and it's also a film based in the 60s, so it had to have a certain retro element in its styling. But the character is partially flamboyant, so there is certain usage of color and within which I don't normally wear. I wear a lot of black, and I've worn all kinds of colors, and I just kept my mouth shut because I felt as an actor I can't have a perspective. I have to follow the vision of the filmmaker because that's what I want out of actors myself.
इस मायने पर करण ने कई बातों पर क्लैरिफिकेशन दी। वी होप कि उनके नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट्स जल्द से जल्द फ्लोर पर आ जाए। और चेतना सिंह, ज़ूम, मुंबई।